Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Park the vehicle on level ground, set the parking brake, and switch off the ignition. Then open the hood and disconnect the negative battery terminal for 30 seconds to prevent shorts. Put on nitrile gloves to avoid oil transfer to the new bulb and carry a small trim tool, a 10 mm socket, and a ratchet. Work only when the engine and existing bulb are cool to the touch. Keep the replacement bulb in its packaging until installation and verify the owner manual for the correct bulb type and orientation. Open the hood and locate the headlight assembly. Many Ram Promaster models have an upper 10 mm bolt securing the bracket. Remove that bolt if present. Next, locate and release the plastic access cover by gently prying 2 retention clips with the trim tool and pulling the cover straight back to expose the bulb area. Reach behind the assembly and identify the electrical plug and either a spring clip or a twist lock socket that secures the bulb. Keep track of any fasteners and store them in a shallow dish to avoid losing them. First, disconnect the electrical plug from the bulb, then release the spring clip or turn the socket counterclockwise and pull the old bulb straight out while noting its orientation. Handle the replacement bulb only by the plastic base or use gloves, align the tabs, and insert it firmly into the housing with the correct orientation. Then re-engage the spring clip or turn the socket clockwise until it seats. Reconnect the electrical plug. Reinstall the access cover and any 10 mm fasteners. Reconnect the negative battery terminal.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.